Welcome to this quick video guide on how to edit a Canva template. Before we begin, note that you need a Canva account. If you do not, pause this video to sign up. It's quick and the free version is all you need to use our templates. When you're ready, open the PDF that came with the purchase of your template. It contains the access link to your design. Today I will be using an award certificate in my demonstration, but yours can be any type of template. Once you click the link, it will bring you to Canva. Click on the Use Template button at the bottom. A copy of the template will be generated and saved to the Projects folder in your account. Hover over to a text field that you want to edit until a purple rectangle appears. This can sometimes get tricky if there are other graphics nearby. Zoom in for better precision. Move around the area until the right field is selected. Then click and begin editing. The field you need to personalize depends on your template. Any existing text provided in the template are placeholders and intended to be used as reference only, so review all copy carefully. For mine, I will customize the school, recipient, and date. I can also change the award type from Certificate of Achievement to Excellence, Completion, or Recognition, just to name a few options. This template is flexible enough to accommodate minor tweaks to the wording. However, I would avoid making drastic changes that may potentially cause alignment or spacing issues. If you need more space, for example, if a recipient has a long name, go to the text editor located on top of the template and decrease the font size. There are options to change the font, color, and other settings as well. Feel free to experiment, but again, avoid drastic changes. Depending on your template, there may be a place to add a photo or logo. Although mine does not, I'd like to add a signature as an image to save time on having to manually sign each one. This is completely optional and not applicable in all projects. Not every template will have a placeholder image or text. If yours does, select and delete them first. Then go to the Uploads button on your left. Click on Upload Files and locate the image you would like to use. Once uploaded, your image will appear under the Images tab. Click on it to place it onto your template. To resize, click and drag any of the circles located on the four corners. To crop, click and drag any of the oblongs located in the middle of the four sides. Alternatively, click the Crop button on the image editor located on top of the template. To reposition, click and drag anywhere within the image. As you can see, there are guidelines appearing as I edit. Reference them to help with aligning and positioning the image. If your image is covering another design element, one possible solution is to click Position on the image editor located on the top right of the template. Then select Backward. Keep clicking backward until it's no longer obscuring another object. Think of each field on this certificate as a paper cutout, arranged on top of each other. Fields on the top will cover what's on the bottom. All we did was reorder the layer, moving the image that was on top backwards. As with any printing projects, use high-resolution images, which are those with 300 pixels per inch or higher. A rough way to check is to zoom in at approximately 300% on your screen. If the image looks pixelated, it will likely print out blurry. If it looks fairly crisp, you're probably okay. If you're still unsure, print a test copy to see if you're satisfied with the results. On a side note, Canva also has a vast library of graphics that can be accessed by clicking on the Elements icon on the left side of the screen. A free Canva account provides access to many elements. Graphics that contain a crown icon are called Pro Elements. These must be purchased separately or accessed through a paid subscription. For more information on Pro Elements, visit Canva's website. If you want to change the background color, click on any empty space close to the edge of the template until a large purple rectangle that covers the entire page appears. Select the rainbow color icon on the top left. A color picker will open. Select the plus icon for more options. I like to keep my template background white, so I will leave it the way it is. If you need to create more than one copy of the template within this file, go to the set of icons located directly on the top right of the template. Click on the plus button in the middle. A duplicate will be generated on the next page. Update the copy as necessary. Like changing the recipient's name if you're creating a batch. Once you're done editing, review and proofread your file. If you're satisfied, click on the Share button located on the upper right side of the screen. Then download. From the drop-down, choose either JPEG or PDF print, which is the recommended option for printing. If selecting the latter, make sure Flatten PDF is checked. And click Download again. The file is now ready. If printing, it is recommended that you print a test copy first for review. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below.